I'm Scott.
And I'm Coco.
And we are Riotous Youth Shakespeare. We're here at the International School of Brussels to present a totally different take on Shakespeare's plays, alive, on their feet, a space that students can make the work for themselves and tell their own stories using Shakespeare's words.
The idea is that by performing the text, we get a feel for the text and we understand the text better. So it's not just about learning what Shakespeare did, and it's not just about learning what literary analysis is. It's about making a play that is yours and then using that to have a better grasp on why this stuff was written. We like to call Shakespeare this universal story, but it's only universal if every student gets to see their identity represented in it.
How many of you think that you cannot sing? Love it, I love it. Really? Seriously? You really think that? Man, y'all making me work for it today. This is hard. Here we go, come on, ready? One and go! It was a lover and his house with a hay, with a hoe and a hay. Money no and a hay, money no me.
I'm the crew chief.
I'm the assistant.
Me too. Right now we're about to go ask the directors what they want to have like an image background being taken with their presentation.
It's going well. Yeah, it's going well. There's a little bit of tension between all the actors, between the actors and the directors, but otherwise it's going well.
Are you looking forward to the performance?
It'll be stressful. Yeah, but fun.
Do you think that it's very stressful, a very stressful job?
I love my job. I absolutely love what I get to do with Riotous Youth Shakespeare, and I love that because I get to see things that I could never have thought of. Shakespeare's my favorite playwright, and you all show me every single time we do this things that I could never have thought of about these plays.